Okay, now today is Monday, and looking to trade gold as it stands. We have like 40 minutes left. About 40 minutes left for New York session to open. And this is what I'm seeing on. It's a very tricky one, though. First of all, if you go to the daily time frame, you will see that the current structure of the market is very bullish. It's highly bullish, very bullish, very bullish. And now, if you look at the chart, you see that there is this level here I just marked out this level here around 4097 that price is aggressively heading to, of which is a potential selling point. Yes, it's a potential point that price might tap there and reject to the downside, which is also a good setup. Yes, because it's a neckline, and if you look carefully, you see I can see this multiple weeks at this level. So that is one scenario I'm seeing here. But then for itself, if you go down to the 2-hour time frame, then we just focus on what is currently building up. Let us say you are ignoring this daily zone here, this daily support. Now on this 2-hour time frame, with what I'm seeing here on this level here, I will be expecting price to go back, retest, then buy. Yes, then buy, possibly to here or here. But if you go back, you will see that those zones, here's the neckline, here's the resistance. But for the buy, the threat against this buy is this daily support, this daily zone here, of which my cause go to sell massively. So I'm currently looking at the charts. The only thing that would make me decide on which side to be is candlestick formation, because I will just be carefully looking at what the candle is printing. Then with that, I will determine which side I will be, either on the buy or on the sell. For the buy, for me, in my own view, as the way it's going, I'll be expecting to retest before New York session opens, then reject. Then the next candle that opens, which is confirming New York session is open, will drop down, trigger this zone, then buy. That's what I'm expecting. If I can see something like that happen, it will be a very high probability for the buy, because currently gold is aggressively buying. But anyways, let's see how it goes.
A few inches later,
I'm in on this sell on gold. This trade was a really fast one. Now the reason for this trade is basically this. Now if you look carefully, you see that we had this daily zone here, of which price I was expecting price to sell from. So that's why I marked out the level. Then going down to 2-hour charts, I also saw something convincing also, and I said, okay, if you look carefully, after I marked out this daily level, I saw this zone here, so I marked it out and I was like, okay, if price is going to sell, there's a high chance that it will come to this 2-hour level, then close below this daily zone, then sell, maybe give us a 1-hour candlestick entry. So basically I marked out the blue zone and I entered, though at first I entered from this daily level and I got stopped out almost immediately, just 2 minutes later. I entered from here, then I kept my stop loss there. I was like, the price might start selling from this daily zone downward, maybe down to this level. So I entered and I was stopped out immediately. I'll show you on my NT5. So when price pumps to this other 2-hour level, I also marked out. I saw a very good reason to enter. Then I got in. Wow, I said this trade is really fast. So I got in on this trade, on this second entry from here. Now I'm aiming at this 2-hour neckline here, and if price can actually get there, I'm going to pass my phase 2. Yes, this is the loss I've had. Let me put the calendar for today. Okay, this is the swing trade I held on Saturday, breaking today. Then this trade, this $5 trade, okay, it was together with this 0.08. So these two were together. So this is the one I entered just this afternoon that I got stopped at this 0.1. So I lost 53. Then I got in again with 0.1 and 0.05. That's 0.15 in total. So the full position is giving me enough profit to recover and pass the account. So I'm just hoping price gets there. I'm hoping price gets there. Although I was planning to buy from this level, but this daily zone was a very big obstacle. So I was just watching price action. So what I saw, the candlestick printing, is what made me sell from here. So as of now, I'm up 127 pips, 120 pips approximately. My target is 210. Hopefully we get there. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. I'm very optimistic about this trade. I'm very, very optimistic about this trade.
A few inches later.
We are almost there. We are almost there. Price is at 160 pips in profit. We are left with 50 pips to go. 50 pips to go. 50 pips to go. 50 pips to go. 50 pips to go, guys. 50 pips to go. 50 pips to go, and we'll be done with this account. 50 pips to go. Fingers crossed, guys. Fingers crossed. See the surface too. Surface too. Wait, trigger this thing now. I might come up for here. Do that rubbish we do on Friday. It is done. The work is done. This is all the trade I've taken since I started this account. So prior to this trade, this the sell, later he take profits, and I later got in on the buy also, but I closed at this daily level. Closed at that daily level because I didn't want to tempt the markets, because they might go, the price was just rejecting of that zone. So I had no choice than just to exit, because it was reacting there for over 45 minutes and I couldn't help holding it anymore, so I closed. So this one was a 6.5 hour, this one was a 2.5 hour. So this second trade, I didn't take it on my profit account anymore because I already passed the account, so I only took it on my own personal live account. Okay, today is Wednesday, 12th of November, and this is basically what I'm looking at on the market. So as this ASEAN session, and we are just 9 minutes away from price, 8 minutes away from ASEAN session to open, and now this is on the 2-hour chart, and basically I would like to start from the daily time frame to analyze this trade. Now, looking at the daily time frame carefully, you clearly see that there was a price has been bullish. That is number one, strongly bullish. And now we've closed above this previous high daily level here, you understand. So now yesterday's candle managed to close above, if you look carefully. So upon closing above, what I just need is to buy, nothing like selling. I don't have a selling agenda in this kind of market. My primary and most important place of interest is on this 2-hour chart level. Now going down to this 2-hour chart, you can see that on this same daily zone, this daily zone line that I marked, this one here, this one here, this is the line that indicates the daily zone. So you can see that 2-hour chart created this structure here, this structure here. So basically that's what I'm expecting price to happen here. Immediately this candle close, as you can see, in the next 5 minutes. Immediately this candle closes in less than 5 minutes. What I'll be expecting price to do, since we've not been able to close above this zone here, what I'm expecting price to do is the next candle that is coming out, which is also the candle that is opening this session, should drop to this daily zone, pick this daily zone, which is also the low of this structure, pick it and start going up, possibly break. I'm expecting price to break above this level. So when we break above here, give us a retest again, that should be it, then continue to the upside. So this is basically what I'm expecting to happen in the market. This is basically what I'm expecting to happen. So let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed.
A few moments later.
Okay, this trade is looking good. I got a very good entry. When I mean good entry, I got the best entry I could get from this trade. So I'm using the 30 pip stop, going for 290 take profit. So let's see how it goes. I'm taking this trade on my live account. Let's see how it goes. Like, I don't see any reason for a sell. Mado. Okay, all I have to do now is just wait for New York session. Let's see what price is going to give us by then. Okay, now this is New York session. Pyro, yeah, that's 21 minutes away from 20 minutes away from New York session opening, and this is what I'm seeing on the chart now. Earlier this morning during the session, I was in on a buy that took me out on stop loss. But what I'm seeing now during the session is more like the buy is still fully going to happen. So now, what is backing up this decision? Number one, I have this double bottom here that 4-hour time frame has created, which signifies a strong push to the upside. Then taking that out, going down to this 2-hour time frame, you can clearly see that the second leg, this move, price has created an entry support zone here. So, and what I'm expecting now is this current candle. I'm expecting this current candle to close, this particular candle to close eventually like this. Then the next candle, I'm expecting the next candle to drop to 4127.8 axis for a buy. Yes, that's what I'm expecting. So if this candle can close the way it is now, I will just be expecting this tap on this one, then I join, then bump to the upside. Yes, that's what I'm expecting on gold. This is my target, full target. So let's see how it plays out. That's what I'm expecting. So I've marked out my entry point, which is this level here, 4127.9. For me, I say 4128. So that's my entry point. If you go down to 1 hour time frame, you see that same zone is acting like a neckline. So I've marked it out. So that's where I'm looking to enter. So let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed.
A few inches later.
I'm in on this trade as it stands. I'm in on this trade currently. So my stop loss is supposed to be here, but I'm just waiting for this current 30 minutes candle to close above, to close bullish like this. Maybe 30 minutes candles or adjust my stop to 50 pips where it's supposed to be, or I just leave it below this look like this. So let's see how this trade goes. I'm optimistic about the trade. Let's see how it goes. If I see an opportunity to enter one more position, I will, so that I can maximize the win. Because of the loss I had in the morning, so I had to fund my account again. So I lost 6.2, so I had to fund 6.9 to be able to trade this position, this setup. I mean, so let's see how it goes.
A few moments later.
My MTN network just went blank, so I couldn't record the outcome of the trade. But my network just came back now, and I've seen that I've hit take profit, and I was able to double down because I was looking for an opportunity to add one more position to the trade. So this is still the trade, the accounts. So I was able to double down on add another position, almost at the same entry. So immediately I entered that position and put my take profit. It didn't even allow me put stop loss. My network seized and I couldn't do anything. What I have to do was just to cross fingers. But luckily, market went in my direction, and I closed at the two profit around $56 profit. So I've already made withdrawals already. I withdraw the profit. So that's it. Okay, now today is Thursday, and we are about 15 minutes away from New York session opening. So what I'm seeing expecting on price is just really simple. First of all, let me go to the daily time frame. Now, the reason for going to the daily time just to show is to mark out this neckline that is here. That is my target. I know price might pump higher, but that is my first target of take profit if what I'm expecting actually happens. So now, going down to this 4-hour chart, what I just want to see is a retest on this 4-hour zone that wasn't retested. Now price broke above it and just went higher, so I want price to pull back to this as is, which is around 4206. Then you know what next to happen. Right, simple as that.
A few moments later.
So we don't have the capacity.
This trade is really fast. The stop loss was quick. It didn't even allow me to screen record. As I immediately entered, the next 2 minutes I was already stopped out.
A few inches later.
So after I got stopped out on that buys, the 4-hour candle has closed. We are reached below the zone. So what I'm expecting now, I'm taking this screenshot, is because I want price to pull back to that same resistance that made me buy, in order for me to sell from there to the downside. Because as far as that zone failed to hold the buys, definitely this zone is going to make price sell when you retest it. I was expecting a massive rejection when price tapped this zone here, but let's see on the 15 minutes time frame, this I'm expecting, if this candle is this trade is right, this current 15 minutes candle needs to drop below 4206. Yes, that's what I'm expecting. This is how it looks on my MT5. I already got stopped at earlier on today on the buy, but as you can see, I'm in again. This is today. I got stopped out 10.4, so I had to deposit another $10 again. So let's see how this trade is going to play out. I'm optimistic about this trade because of the level of which I'm trading from. So on my trading view, I really want this current 15 minutes candle to close to close bearish. But let's see what happens. My target will be here. That's around 200 pips. 200 pips. Okay. Let's see how it plays out anyway. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, this is how price is looking. It's looking good. I'm going to take my profit from this support. Though price might sell massively, but I'll close at this support here, which is 4190.
And moreover, I was also able to add another position to this trade to maximize the wins in order to cover up the loss I already had before, and also at least make something tangible also. So let's see how it goes. I'm in profit.
2 minutes after 6, and this is how it looks. You have I think like 40 pips left to take profit. Yes, around 50 pips left to take profit. So I'm still holding. Let me show you how it looks on my account. This is how it looks. Up 24.
A few inches later.
Price does not have anything to come and do here again. They don't have any business coming here again. Jesus Christ, what is going on? This thing is dumping hard. It's rejection hard. If it doesn't play out, what I'll be losing is minus 2.7. The first entry is at no loss. So let's see what happens. TP just smashed now. TP smashed.